How to make A3 size in Canva. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can make A3 size in Canva. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Canva in your device and make sure that you're logged in. So in Canva, the A3 size is not readily available, so in that case we have to customize the size. So once you land on this page, click on create a design option at the top left corner. And here at the left hand side, there's an option as customize size. Click on it. Now here we have to customize our size. So input the dimensions for the A3 size. First of all, head towards the width and here type in 297 mm or 11.7 inches. So first of all, let's select the unit, click on this drop down and now click on mm. Now here under width, type in 279 and under height you have to type in 420 and ensure that you have selected these units as mm. Once you're done with that, now click on create new design, and that's gonna open your design in the A3 canvas. Now you can start designing with canvas tools, templates and assets. Once completed, you can click on the share button right here at the top right corner and choose the download option. There you can select your preferred file format, and here you can select your preferred file format, that may be your PNG, JPG or PDF, and download your A3 design. So in that way we can create A3 size in Canva. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.